Welcome back to Drawing with Jackson and Dad.
Today, Jackson is leading the drawing, and he's going to draw a
Bunny.
bunny. So here we go. Get your pens, and here we go.
So first we're going to start with 2 ears. And then a line across. Come down that line and go like that. Go just to that line. Don't go any further than that. And you go like this. A little farther. Make a little tail. Then you put just a little line.
Little line?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then you put a leg. Keep going. Then you go down. And you put like to right there. And come back up. Connect those lines. Give him an eye. And then kind of like an upside down, like a half upside down triangle, just like half. And then go up like that. And I guess we could give him a little eyebrow. I'm gonna give mine some spots. And I'm gonna do a horizon line. Pretend an invisible line going through them. Go over the tail. Like that.
I'm going to go the opposite direction. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm. And
how about hind legs like we've done on the other? Can I make that recommendation?
yeah.
I mean, not hind legs, but
like that.
legs that are in the background or on the back other side of him.
That.
Yeah.
And then
I put a heart on one of my spots. Is that okay?
Yeah. And then we can do like a carrot.
Oh. Oops, my carrot's wobbly.
He took a bite out of it.
Okay, I'm going to have carrot lines. Can I do that?
And go
Little fingers,
nails.
little nails.
Yeah, I made this bunny look like our bunny, kind of. Like the spots. Right up there. And that should be it.
That's it? Should we color?
Yep.
Okay, guys, we're going to color. Get ready.
And we're going to speed up the video.
And you put your pen away. And yeah, we're going to speed up the color. We always do. We always go fast motion on our color. So
how many
the videos
miles
don't
per
last.
hour do we go?
We go 100 miles per hour.
No.
Yeah, my crayons go, or my pastel sticks go 100 miles per hour when it's in fast motion.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Let's color. Okay, guys, that's it. Be sure to email us what you did. Here's the email right here.
And right above my dad's head if he goes down a little.
If I go down, I can put it right here. So be sure to email us. If you want, be sure to subscribe to us. Share what we do with all your friends. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.